Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the recommended items in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the shopping menu where we can browse and look at different kinds of styles and clothing articles. But from here we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner there is a person icon which we have to tap. And then in the items you own section we find fashion. We tap on fashion and then we can find the items in this little scrollable list that are recommended for us. Obviously, when you use the app more frequently and there is more data about your interest, these recommendations are going to become more personalized and more fit for your taste. So use the app and the recommendations are going to be better. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.